So this is our third part of rationalization. So just if they ask you to rationalize the numerator. So if they ask you to rationalize the numerator, it is the same thing, same layout. Take note of that, because the same procedure or same layout that we use when rationalizing the denominator, it should be the same principle. So like we said in when rationalizing the denominator, we say that a plus b square root of something like that. So we should consider this. It will change, the sign will change. So it means that its conjugate, it will be a minus b square root of what? 2. Take note of that. So this is my first example on rationalizing the numerator. So if they ask you find or rationalize, so since we are talking about rationalizing the numerator, so this is our first example. Simplify the following. So we have, this is our a, square root of 3 plus square root of 7 divided by 3. So here we are rationalizing the numerator. So this is our numerator. Take note that this is our denominator. This is our numerator. Take note of that. It is our numerator. So they're asking us to rationalize the numerator. Same principle like we did when rationalizing the denominator. So it will be square root of 3 plus square root of 7 divided by 3. So we'll rationalize the numerator. So what will change it is on this part. Since it is positive, it will change to negative. So it will be 3 minus square root of 7. Like what you do on the numerator now, you should also do it on the denominator, like that. After that, you simplify. So it will be square root of 3 plus square root of 7, like that. And also square root of 3 minus square root of 7 divided by square root of 3 minus square root of 7 times 3, like that. After that, to simplify the numerator, this will multiply by that. So it will be square root of 3, open bracket, square root of 3 minus square root of 7 plus square root of 7, cross bracket, square root of 3 minus square root of 7 divided by, so this one, it will be 3 times that, it is 3 square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 7. After doing that, we apply the principles or laws of radicals or Surds. This times this, it is 3 times this times that, it can be written as square root of 3 times square root of 7 plus that times that, it will be square root of 7 square root of 3. This times that, it is 7. So here we can even fact out 3 to be the same thing. After doing that, we'll say 3 minus 7, this, it is 0. This is 0. If you observe carefully, it is 0 divided by 3 square root of 3 minus square root of 7. So after doing that, it will be 3 minus 7, it is negative 4 divided by 3 square root of 3 minus square root of 7, like that. So mean that this is our final answer. If you want, you can even expand it to be negative 4. 3 times this to be 3 square root of 3, 3 square root of 7. So this is our final answer. So if they ask you to rationalize the numerator, you need to follow these steps. So our second question is that x plus square root of y over, let me say we have x. So let me put here negative. So we are still focusing on rationalizing the numerator. Same principle. So it will change. It will be x plus square root of 7. Square root of y. It should be square root of y. Divide by x plus square root of y. After doing that, simplify. So this is a special one. So it will be x, open bracket, x plus square root of y minus square root of y, x plus square root of y. divide by, that one it will be x squared. Let me just show it for some people to understand it properly. So it will be x, open bracket, x plus square root of y. After doing that, it will be x times x, it is x squared plus x square root of y. Here it should be minus, because this times that, it is minus x square root of y. Negative times positive, negative, here to be y, divide by, this times that, it is x squared plus x square root of y. Don't rush into cancelling this. First of all, observe this. What is this? This is 0. So after doing that, it will be x squared minus y divided by x squared plus x square root of what? Y. So this is our final answer. So this is how we can rationalize the numerator. So at the final exam, or in test 1 or test any assignment, if they say rationalize the denominator, observe the way I did it in the first part of the video. If they say rationalize the numerator, follow these steps. They are very essential. So let us try to answer one of the exam question. They will specify. So this is the exam question. So it states that rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator, expressing answers in the form a plus b, like that, square root of 3. So we need to express that in that format. So this is our question. We have 2 plus square root of 3 over 3 plus square root of 3. So since we have done how to rationalize numerator and also denominator, but here they have given the emphasis, rationalize the denominator. So mean that we should concentrate on the denominator. That is what we should rationalize or find the conjugate. So 2 plus square root of 3 divided by 3 plus square root of 3. So how can you rationalize this? Or how can we find the conjugate of the denominator? You need to concentrate here. What is this? This is positive. This is our A, this is our B. So since it is positive, we say, so here, to change to 3 minus square root of 3, what you do on the denominator, you need to do it also on the numerator, 3 minus square root of 3. So they have emphasized, rationalize the denominator. If they say rationalize the numerator, do it the way I did it on those examples. After that, simplify. So it will be 2 plus square root of 3, and then 3 minus square root of 3 divided by 3 plus square root of 3. We have 3 minus square root of 3. After that, simplify to be 2 open bracket 3 minus square root of 3 plus square root of 3, 3 minus square root of 3, and also this we multiply by that, it is 3 minus square root of 3 plus square root of 3 open bracket 3 minus square root of 3. After that, evaluate. 3 times 2, 6 minus 3 times square root of 3, it is 2 square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 3. That times that, it is negative 3, divided by, this times this, it is 9 minus 3 square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 3. That times that, square root of 3 times square root of 3, negative 3. After doing that, it will be 6, we can put this and that together, minus 3. So if you observe carefully here, you need to observe carefully. So this party, let me use other ink. This part, if you observe it, negative 2 square root of 3 plus square root of 3, it is the same as plus square root of 3. And then we divide by 9. Also, if you observe this is our 0, so it will be minus 3. So after doing that, it will be 6 minus 3, it is 3 plus square root of 3 divided by that minus that, it is 6. If you simplify it, to be 3 over 6 plus square root of 3 over 6. Evaluating it, to be 1 over 2 plus square root of 3 over 6. Means that this is our final answer. We have expressed it in the form of a plus b square root of 3. Meaning that our a is 1 over 2 and our b is 1 over 6. The coefficient here, it is 1. So, but you can't show it because this is 1. So the coefficient there, it is 1, like that. So this is the way we can find it.